127 videos and 128 subscribers, me and Nathan have decided to make a farm tour video of Legenddairy. Alright, this is the house. And now we're going to head up onto the 4-H barn. Alright, so this is the 4-H barn. We keep our Ranger, my dirt bike, and in the summer, my hog will go in this barn. And right here, 4-H box, and our scale for my hog. Alright, this is the other 4-H barn, where Allison, Nathan's sister, keeps her goats. Now let's head on over to the shop. Alright, so this is our shop, where my dad keeps his dirt bike and where we keep the feeding tractor, the mixer, in the winter time, and where we fix everything up. It's kind of crappy, we never clean it, but I also have my raccoons hanging up, and my 4-wheeler project over here. I'm painting my 4-wheeler a new color because I don't like that color anymore. So now we're gonna head up to the block building. Brett's gonna show you the first and second level. Let's go. All right, this is the block building where we keep our diesel fuel, some spare tires, and some other junk. We got our skid loaders in here, the New Holland, and our cat skid loader goes right here. And then this bed right here is where we keep our farm truck and our cattle trailer where we haul all of our cows. And then you got some spare equipment over here whenever we need it. And then there's the upstairs. Alright, so this is the upstairs level of our block building. And in here, we have some extra barrels, which me and Brett might use in a later project. A couple tires, a bunch of random sword fighting sticks, and old chicken coop. We also got extra wood, and if you follow me out here, we've got our we don't ever use this. I don't know why we still have it, but it's fun. You might see us using it if you don't. So now we're gonna head on over to where we feed cows, and I'm gonna send you over there. Alright, so over here, we got our gas tank, and we got our augers for the cows, and we got a grain bin, and in here, we got our main control panel for all this equipment, and then up in here, we got our silo holding high moisture corn. Alright, so as you saw, we got our block building and where we feed cows, but now over here is our hopper where we keep all our trash. We got our old manure spreader, and over here we have our gray truck, farm truck, and over here we have the red truck, our other farm truck, which I might be driving when I turn 16. Then if we come over here, we got our gooseneck trailer. Also, our other trailer with a winch on it, and we're gonna get you some action shots of that. Alrighty, so right behind me, we have our mixing tractor, our Massey Ferguson 6465. And over here on my right is a whole bunch of tires that we use to cover the pile. And that just keeps the plastic from going off. And then right behind me, all the way back there, is some of our land. And then where those trees are over there is spilers. And then we're going to keep coming on back, and we're going to run into our silage pile. Alright, we're on the pile. Now we're climbing up the pile so you can get a bird's eye view of it. pretty cool up here. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh! So this is our pile. Full of nice, lovely. This is our haylage pile behind me right now. And we're just going to get a bird's eye view from the haylage pile. Because who doesn't want one of those? Affectio. So as you know, this is our haylage pile. And if you follow me over here, right here we have our 1135 Massey Ferguson, one of our older tractors, hooked up to our roller. Brett just finished rolling today. We got our 7800 John Deere attached to our manure pit, New Holland. I said manure pit. Next to our manure spreader, New Holland. And if you follow me over here, we have a strip tiller hooked up to our 8480 Massey Ferguson. Here is one of our many fields. If you follow me over here, we have our twin rake hooked up to our International 684 and our great truck. And guess what? It's a Ford car. So here is our old dump truck International. It's not very good. It doesn't work very well anymore. It still runs though. But the only thing we use it for is to store useless stuff. Oh boy. Alright, so over here we have our corn stalk knocker down or whatever. It just knocks down corn stalks. Then you got some, I don't even know what this is. We got our escalator here, which we use for bales. It is in one of our videos. You go through and find it. This is our brand new manure pit pump. And all it does is just pump manure from the pit into the manure tank, or manure spreader. And here you got the Massey Ferguson's 265, and then it's hooked up to a mower. Rope rush on, unfoot on, and then all the way over here is our windrow. Mower. But it just cuts all of our hay for us. New Holland HW320. Got an old spray tank. An old trailer with some plastic on that we use to cover the piles. And then our retired 1105 Massey Ferguson. And here you have a junk wagon. And then over here you got a junk wagon turned useful. And another brush hog mower, and another useless trailer. Soon to be useful. Alright, so here is our Morton. Over here we got a grain wagon with the newly attached auger that you can see in our short video. We have our 6400 John Deere, probably one of our least useful tractors. We only use it because it's a mid-sized tractor and we need those. Over here we got our corn planter and some soybean seed. We got our John Deere 582 round baler. Makes like big round bales. We got some square bale wagons that we won't really be using much anymore because we're not doing square bales. And we got our seed drill. And if you'll come over here, we have a very accurate statement. And then if you'll follow me on into this corner, we have our chopper.
Right. Oh, where am I? Ah, this is Big J. This is our big John Deere 8410. This is our second most powerful tractor and our heaviest tractor on our farm. The first most powerful tractor is the Massey Ferguson, of course. Yeah, this is really big John Deere. Big J. And then you got anhydrous ammonia, which we use with the strip tiller. And then you got our calf catcher 4000 with some forks and all kinds of other skid loader attachments. And this is the water jug.
Alright, so here we have our 3-pronged fork skid loader attachment. Some tires that we put on the pile. These calf hutches we don't really use much in the winter time, even though it doesn't look like winter. We just got out of winter. This is our skid loader bucket, one of many. Our bunker shaver 4384, and we're working on the video for that, editing. And you'll come over here. Got a power box with a couple outlets, more tires. We have our pallet fork, skid loader attachment, Big J, like Brett just said. Our other bucket, skid loader attachment. Our 1-prong skid loader attachment. Whoa. And our 4-prong skid loader attachment. We have a lot of skid loader attachments. And if you'll come over here, we have a couple quick hookup attachments for when we're in the fields. And over here are our silos, all 5 of them, in their majestic gloriness. Right here we have our sawdust pile. And over here we have some more skid loader attachments. This skid loader attachment is a bale grabber. This one is a 2-prong fork. This one is a snow plow, which we don't need anymore because the Big J has a plow attachment on it. Then here is our grain bin. Now Brett's gonna take you over to the dry cow barn.
Ethan, where are you? You forgot this attachment.
Oh, yeah. So here's our sawdust shooter that we use to spread sawdust into the stalls and bed the cows. And over here is our water tank and some bees. Now, it's really on to Brett in the dry cow barn. Right.
Smack the dog. Alright, this is the dry cow barn, where all the cows go when they're pregnant. And over here is the majestic heifer barn. It's just space for cows before they go milk.
Yeah. This is where we feed the calves. On my left, you have the milking cows. And on my right, you have the non-milking cows. Now, if you follow me over here, we just open up this gate right here. Or go under, I guess. Barn. We have the end of our manure scraper. Our manure scraper pulley system, or whatever you want to call it. You got some bags of I don't know what. And you got the control pan. And then you got the cows. So in here, we have our milking room, where we have not one, but two robots that milk the cows for us. You have the M4 use buckets over here. We have our table of different things, cabinets of different things. Then if you'll come down here, oh yeah, over here, some electrical and water heating stuff. Down here we have our Milk Taxi 4.0. Oh, it's hot. It like pasteurizes the milk to the cows. A rack. Then if you'll come over here, we have our bulk tank and our mini bulk tank for when Alan's cleaning. Sinks, filters, hose. Now if you come over here, freezer and office area with different stuff and things. Employee of the month, Allison. April Fools. Oh yeah, another freezer fridge thing. And over here, I don't know what that stuff is, but it's there. Now over here we have our heifer barn and calf barn with our pellet bin. It's getting a little bit low, so we might need to refill that sometime soon. Here we have our young heifers who are just coming out of calf pens, or hutches. We got our calf hutches. Some are assembled with calves in them, and others are not assembled. But if you'll follow me over here, stop, time. So right here we have our other grain bin that holds pellets that feed the cows while they're milking, which entices them to come back and get milked every time. Okay. And last, but certainly not least, 6465 Mass Ferguson and our manure pit. So, that was your tour of Legenddairy. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like the video if you want us to drop some merch. Comment your favorite part about the farm. Subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.